Mystical stories and legends, high-profile trials, traditional magical rituals, and the dark side of Porto. On a walking tour through the central streets, we'll uncover the non-ceremonial pages of Portuguese history that guides don't talk about. We'll dive into ghost stories and notorious crimes in Porto. You'll learn why being a Portuguese student can be dangerous, and what magical rituals locals use to make their wishes come true. We'll discuss the most mysterious writer, Fernando Pessoa, the woman man who was hounded by the press, and Portugal's own Robin Hood. You'll hear about the city's biggest tragedies, serial killers, and places where dark magic rituals are performed, places where locals fear bringing their children. Join the most unusual walking tour and become a true medium.